Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're a little early before the market opens. I'm actually a little late because I was cooking breakfast, so I can go to my Discord and I can see what they said about the market, what they expecting. So they're actually, he sees we're at an order block right here in this area. So let's just see. Yeah, I agree. So you can see pre-market is right here already. So we're looking for, we're going to be looking for sales. We're going to be looking for sales at open, or shorts at open. That's a better term. As you can see from yesterday, let's check our spread out that we did. If we would have went with the bull put low, we would have won, but we did not because price stayed above the bull put low. So we would have won, but we didn't enter it. So we did not win. And then we can go back here to this. As you can see, price stayed below this line, which means we cashed out on all of that credit. And it actually wasn't that one. We actually cashed out early for the 100, but we would have won the entire $140. We would have kept the entire $145 per contract on that credit. Keeping market structure high, low, high, low, high, low. So in theory, we can bring this down here and I'll move that down to like right there somewhere. And in theory, what we should do this morning is we should hit this order block and head on downwards. If I could need to draw it out for you, we should open somewhere right in here and we should probably play with it a little bit and then head down and break all the way down. So I don't even know where I'm gonna just push this down because I don't even want to look at this for right now. We are reacting to the supply zone, so we may look at what we're gonna do. A 4-3-15 bear call. Let me just see how much that's worth real quick. That'll be a vertical 4-3-15, and then we'll sell 25. I'm sorry, we'll sell 15 and we'll buy 25. That will give us $135 credit as of right now. 140. It really depends. So if we go below this, we'll get that credit. We could get it now because you can see we've rejected this area. I'd actually pull this down to where we're touching. Also, if we go below this, I'll grab a put just to show you guys that we'll get a put and sell for 10% profit. This could be entry right here, but I just don't trust it. Let's look at like VIX. VIX broke up. This is Apple. Apple looks to be headed down. Yeah, this is our down leg. Let's go ahead and enter right here. Okay, we're gonna take this entry, the 4290, buying it for 870. Alexa, 8.7 times 1.1.
8.7 times 1.1 is 9.57.
9.6 was profit. 9.6. Let's actually move this down a little bit. That's our alarm for the spread. Do we want to go that high up? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it right there because this is 10. I'm gonna keep it right there. So let's look at that one. We'll come back and look at that one tomorrow. That one would be the 4-3-15 bear call. I'll just put it right here. It's alternating between $100 and a $95 credit, but I'll just throw it right there. We could cash out of it at like 60, 50, whatever. Doesn't really matter. Or we can just hold it all the way. As long as we don't see price approaching this level, we're good. We're probably gonna head down at least somewhere near this 38, so I'm really not too worried. And I'll probably come back in a few. Well, there's the drop. What's price at? 9. We bought it what, 8.7, so we need 9.6, I think it was. Now, as long as the naked play doesn't go above that, you can stay in it. We're good. Right now it's at what was it, 4290, 4290. Oh wow, I actually bought the call option instead of the put. Wow, bro. I can't, I kid you not. I actually bought the call option instead of the put. And I'm like, I'm just now noticing that's actually kind of hilarious. Wow. Cause I was thinking bear call when I was doing the spread. So I went to the, see, that's why, man, that's, wow. So I don't even know what the put would have been. So in theory, we're in the put. We haven't exited because price hasn't went above this spot. If price closes above this wick, then we would take the put as an L and we lost. We're still in it. So I'd assume that we'd get a 10% profit like at this level or somewhere in here. I don't really know because I messed up the play. You can see we had liquidity right there, but now it's right here. So we can go on and mark that as liquidity. And we got this demand zone. So, man, I don't know what we're going to do at this level. We want price to drop down and break it right here, but that big candle concerns me that we might break upwards. Plus, there's a lot of liquidity in here. All right, as you can see, price is still holding. It's been like 10 minutes maybe, but price has not closed above this. If it closed above that, that's where we would have exited. And price is right here reacting to this demand zone right now. So these are the two scenarios. If price closes above this, you have to take the L. And we got it wrong. If price closes below this, we're more than likely going to win profit. Let's see if we can get to the 3 minute real quick because I really want to end this video. If you go to the 3 minute, it looks, this big old candle is what gets me though. I really just don't trust this crap. Oh, there it goes. Never mind. Oh, okay. Well, we hit profit. That's wow. Okay. Video's over. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. Like, this thing is just slamming down. I knew all that was liquidity. I just didn't know which way we're gonna go. I felt we were going down, but I didn't know. If you have any questions about the Discord, the details will be below in the description. And until next video, price still coming down. Peace.